In this game, you take the role of a protagonist who has awoken in an unfamiliar place, named Twisted Wonderland. After being freed from a coffin by a rowdy magic creature named Grimm, you find yourself about to be enrolled in the prestigious magic training school, Night Raven College. However, during the dorm assigning ceremony, it's revealed that not only do you not have any magic, but you're also from another world. Surprised, the masked headmaster, Dyer Crowley, offers you shelter in ramshackle dorm while you get your bearings. He comments that you're extraordinarily good at getting people to work together, and names you a prefect. As a 2-in-1 deal, since you don't have magic, you and Grimm are enrolled together. The headmaster gives you a mission and hands you a special camera that is capable of recording memories. He entrusts it to you to record the lives of you and your fellow classmates. However, as talented and prodigious as they may be, the students waiting for you here are all uncooperative troublemakers. Will you ever be able to work with them and return to your original world? And just what secrets are these students hiding, who hold the souls of villains? The main plot of the game, with each book focusing on a different dorm. Some story chapters are locked behind a specific player rank, while some contain a battle or twistoon that you must pass in order to proceed.
Thank you guys for watching, and maybe subscribe to my channel if you'd like. Goodbye and have a good day.